this video I have talked about how you can take your account from 0 to 10k followers in no time. And if you want to know how you can take your account from 0 to 10k, then simply watch this video till the end. And now let's start the video. Hey guys, my name is Anmol and welcome back to my channel. Over here we talk about how to grow your Instagram account, send Instagram daily updates, and if that kind of stuff interests you and you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, then consider subscribing to get more awesome content just like this one every single week. And enough of talking, now let's talk about business. So if you have 0 followers or you haven't started on Instagram, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to start posting good content. And after you have like about 9 or 10 posts on your profile, then you need to start following and unfollowing other people. You need to like follow 10 or 15 people every single day, or if you will follow more just in the beginning, then maybe you can get an action block and they can disable your account. And because like following too much people in a short period of time is against community guidelines, and Instagram thinks that you are running a bot on your page, so they can disable your account. So instead it's better just to like follow about 10 or 15 people just in the beginning, and you can increase the number of following as you will increase the number of posts. And you need to do this strategy until you get about 5,000 followers, and with this strategy you can get about a few thousand followers. And after you have about 5,000 followers, then Instagram starts promoting your profile by itself. Only you start ranking on the explore page more, you start ranking on the hashtags more. And there is one another strategy that you can use to like get your first 1,000 followers. The second strategy that you can use to get your first few thousand followers is $80 strategy. In this strategy you just need to find similar pages to yourself, and you need to start providing value in the comment section by engaging with your ideal audience. You can maybe reply to other people's comments, you can provide value, or you can simply just like other people's comments. And the advantage of using this strategy is that you may get a few followers, but the followers that you're going to get is they are going to be highly engaged with your profile. And I recommend that you use both the strategies side by side to get more followers more quickly, because you can use both the strategies at the same time, and it's even more better if you use both the strategies at the same time. And I have also made videos in depth about these two strategies, about follow and unfollow and the $80 strategy. And if you want to learn how exactly can you do these strategies to maximize your results, then the links are going to be in the description below. If you're interested, surely check them out. A quick side note, just use these strategies in the beginning to get a bit of uplift on your account. Just don't solely depend on these strategies to grow your account, as I've already said that you need to like use these strategies until you get about 5 or 4,000 followers, and after that Instagram starts picking up your profile by itself and it starts ranking you on the explore page and on the hashtags. So it's just use these strategies in the beginning to get a bit of attraction, and after that let Instagram do its work. So now you have about 2,000 or 3,000 followers on Instagram by doing follow and unfollow and $80 strategies. So the next thing that you need to do is that you need to start collabing with other people. But now you must be asking, Anmol, how do I collab with other people? Nobody will say yes to collab with me. But don't worry, it's really easy. The thing that you need to do is that you need to find other pages similar to your niche with similar amount of followers. Like for example, if you have a cat page and your follower is about 2,000, then you need to find pages that have the same amount of followers, and you need to ask them that if they are happy about doing cross promotion for 24 hours or 12 hours. The benefit of this is that you're going to get exposure to a ton of followers in no time, and you can grow your account really fast with this way. Using the right hashtags. If you use the right hashtags, then you find the best hashtags, you will not only rank on hashtags, but you will also start ranking on the explore page. By this you will be like put in front of a ton of new audience, and if they like your content, then they're going to follow you back. And hashtags has been one of the most effective and the best way to grow your Instagram account. And even for accounts with 150,000 plus followers, they till now they still use hashtags to grow their page, because they know that hashtags is a really effective way to grow their account. And many people have just mastered the hashtags, and they have just grown their account from 0 to 10k just with the help of hashtags. So if you don't use hashtags, or if you don't have hashtag, if you don't know how to find the best hashtags, I've made a full tutorial talking about how you can find the best hashtags that can help you rank on the Explorer and the hashtags, and it's 19 minutes, and you can surely check it out. The link is going to be in the description below. If you grow your account the way I have told you to grow your account, you can easily grow from 0 to 10,000 followers in 4 to 5 months. But if you want to speed up the process and you want to get to 10,000 followers just in a single month, and what you can do is that if you have about $50 or $100, you can ask for shoutouts from bigger pages than yours. By this way you can reach your goal way more faster as compared to strategies, by using different strategies. But now you might be asking me like, how do I know which page is good for promotions? It's just the same as cross promotion. You need to go to a bigger page than yours in similar niche and see their engagement, like how many likes they are getting, how many comments they are getting, and if they are getting a good amount of likes and comments, then means that is a nice page to put your money on. So now the question arises, which is way more better, running ads for your Instagram page or using organic ways to grow your page? For me, both are totally fine, both are equally best to grow your account from 0 to 10k followers or beyond. But the only plus point that I see with running ads is that you can grow your account considerably really fast, and you can monetize your page really fast as compared to strategies. But if you don't have any money, you're broke, like using strategies to grow your page is totally fine, because many big pages have also used free ways to grow their account. And if you use free ways, you understand the platform more, you understand what works, what doesn't work, and you start understanding your audience. So it's better to use, in my opinion, it's better to use strategies to grow your page. And that will wrap up for today's video. Much will wrap up the video for today, guys. I hope that you guys got value out of it and you learned something new, and if yes, then don't forget to comment down below saying that I have learned something new. And as always, don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to get more content just like this one every single week. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day, great week, and a great week. Peace.